Okay.
Look at this parking lot in Destin, Florida.
Like, where's the
And
grass?
right off 98. Yeah, you can't even see the grass. In fact, I don't even know what that is right there.
I think it's
And there's
median.
poles right there. Look how deep this bugger is. Oh my God, it's a good thing my car's super tall. Let me get up on this other side.
Oh, goodness gracious.
That's like freaking, you could put a boat through there. Dude. Kind of hope nobody's little car goes through there. Don't be stranded. Dollar Dreadnought's got the guy loading. Oh, look at that. That lightning bolt just hit ground right over there. Oh, no. I don't know. I was going to send you and get a couple cappuccino. I don't think
No
we're gonna
way,
do that.
Jose.
Let's just go down the back road somehow. This is bad. How can we turn around? God, there's signs down. Look at this sign.
Oh, hello.
Blew that bad baby right out. I don't think that was a car wreck. I think they blew that sucker out. Oh, this is when I really don't like it, when it stops.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh, hell no. Look up in the sky and see if you see anything coming down. Or black. When that wind stops all of a sudden like that, that's like
scary.
Not a good thing.
It's like really eerie.
Yeah.
Like a tornado's about to come through.
Absolutely.
Yeah, there goes one.
A tornado going through the way that I just created. All by myself. Surfing USA.
Oh, there's no USA. Surfing.
Yeah. Go down this back way here.
Oh, to the light.
We'll never get through whatever that mess is over there. It might just be too deep over there. Who knows? That might be why they have all the tops open and stuff. Oh, this car lot or what's that is? $2.49 in gas. Be real. Just because you're off of 98, you got to jack the price up 35 cents more. Be real. This clown got to block me. Freaking tourist. Get out of the way. Look at the trash on this street. I think this is one of the streets we came through.
Yes.
Just look at the trash. I have not ever seen it like this. Ever. This is like something you'd see in Arkansas or Oklahoma. This is really powerful. I drove through a tornado once. In my Camaro, that sucker pushed my tail fin. I had my foot off the pedal. My car was going 60 miles an hour, okay? And tuned it up. Going Memphis. That was the craziest thing I'd ever been through. I decided to pull over at a casino. I said, okay, well, done. Let's not do this now. Drive the car. Drive.
This one's waiting on you.
Killing me. Look, this stuff's blowing everywhere. Buckets, furniture, trash cans. Look at all those trash cans are blown over. I can't believe that parking lot was so deep. With those yellow posts, I'm like, okay, now what is that part?
Imagine if you actually drove through it.
Oh, you'd be stuck. You sit there calling somebody looking stupid. And then they go, so when you saw the yellow post, why didn't you,
Don't ask.
well, I wasn't sure. You gotta sit there and ID stuff. Do you think it's a median, or do you not? At least I got the freaking elevator truck. My elevator truck. And now let me through here. I gotta go. I don't want to hang out with new people. Or past the police cars. Yeah. Where that crane, that creeps me out with that damn crane. That makes me see very, very bad things. Alright. I better get that dude down there and move that sucker down that crane. Look at the people turning around. They're like, I guess I changed my mind. They see the blue lights and they're like, Nice tourists, see 'em? There's the most busiest restaurant in the world, that donut hole. There's another crane by the power line.
Yeah.
There's one down there. There's one there too.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. Look at this guy's sign for Sexton's Trip.
Well,
You want to put that down and pay attention to this?
I'm in the middle of sending St. Louis.
I can't run the camera and drive to. Doesn't take that long to send a text message, okay? You don't write a book, just state the facts. The facts, ma'am, the facts.
I'm sending him more info so he can send it to the
Take a
higher up.
picture and ship it. That's what I would do. It's real simple. Shoot, whiz. All these poor businesses down here. Taco Bell can't even do a business. Look, God, they have 2 customers at the Destin Taco Bell. It takes an hour to get your food. It's like they're in shock. Oh my God, it's an order. Beauchamp is about bacon. Looks like all employees, they just closed Jacona's down. Looks like their other 2 are not going to be happy to get rid of it. Boy, Destin is like an amusement park ride. Christ, fine. Some city shows the lights fine. Jeez, what hellacious mess. So, if anybody out there works in Harbor Walk Village or is planning to go, it might be interesting of how many people are open, because management has decided it is optional today to be open because the weather is super creepy. We just come by here just a moment ago and it was really blowing sideways. Okay, let's see what made here. Oh, I could have gone through. I gotta wait for all the stupid people! Come on, I gotta go. Driving the car. Hurry up, drive. Let's go. Driving the car. Ding. Okay, there's nobody here.
What happened?
Whoa, what the hell?
Oh
What
yeah,
is
they did
this?
say they had trouble with awnings.
But now, what awning is that for?
Front end over there. Let me get a picture
I
of
got
it.
something here. Well, do it on your own time. Get out of my face. I gotta drive. You want to straighten that camera out? Or are you gonna make these people go crazy? I gotta look sideways. You gonna film that awning or not?
I just did.
There's a car right there. I hope it didn't get messed up. I bet it did though.
Looks
That's a
like
local tag, dude. Maybe somebody works here. Christ, where did that come off?
I think up front.
Oh my gosh, look at this pole right here.
Oh, there goes the palm tree. There's the palm tree. Look.
Take a picture of this and ship it out there. Holy hell.
Let's snap the darn palm tree in half.
Did you get a picture or not?
Yes.
Because I'm moving the car. I don't want to be
The
near.
flagpole is gone.
I don't know if that's a flagpole or it might be a power pole.
That was the flagpole. The
Take a
flag's
picture and
missing.
get moving. I gotta
I
move.
did.
Oh, you dance so much. Wow, I've never seen it like this. Did you get a shot of it?
Yeah.
Look at all this. All these signs knocked down. All the blockades to keep people from climbing up on that ride they're trying to renovate. They were scared. One time they were talking about that tree right there. that they
I
had to
think it's about gone.
tie it all because
Yeah,
it was rotty.
that wood is gone.
It looks
It's
really
parts of
rotty.
it in the ground.
So it's actually ripped the tree up. They were talking about there recently.
Oh my goodness gracious. Pull up over here.
Look at this. I told you it was really stout. And that probably happened just now when we rolled through.
And here's some more.
Remember when we rolled through here and it was just like wham, side. Look at these cars. You gonna control what's happening here? I cannot drive and handle the camera. Please pay attention. Look at all the markers are blown down and they stick to the ground. That's what's funny. They have little suckers and they'll stick to the ground, so those have been blown over. Let's see if I can get through here because this one marker's right here. Yeah, I can't. This is the worst parking lot faces, or it's just like driving through. Freaking, where is that? In Louisiana, it's so bad.
Not Louis. Boutte?
Huh? Lafayette?
Lafayette.
Lafayette. The streets are like this parking lot. Trash. It's just like this. Boom, boom, boom. Well, Coyote Ugly looks good. They put that new fence up, but it didn't blow down. It was screaming through here. I bet that was pretty freaky down there in Harbor Walk. I'm sure a lot of people closed because it's going to be a few hours before people decide to come down here. People do not like Harbor Walk when it starts raining a lot. If it gets really freaky like this, I promise you nobody's going to be here. They did have a power outage earlier today at Harbor Walk Village. Let's see if we can get a shot of this awning wherever it came from. I don't see where it come from over here.
I think it came from the front end.
Well, it sure looks like it might have.
Because that's green. Usually keep the green.
So you think it just blew over the top of that damn car?
I think so. Unless that's Wyndham.
What do you mean? Do you want to control this camera so I can drive? Look at that thing. It's bigger than the car. I bet you it's a good thing. But I don't see any real damage now. Man, scratch the crap out of it flown over the top. Or maybe security drug it over there. Let's go look at the front. Now these bushes are topped off. Whoa. I can't believe that. I bet that's right when we were driving through a little bit ago. Man. So maintenance is driving around going, what? That older guy. Wonder where they got that 100-year-old looking parking sign. Look, there's a chair that somebody's put out there in front of a car.
Yeah.
Must have been drunk and sit out there. Oh look, they're hauling chairs over here. They got chairs over here, look at this. They have blown probably off the roof for the swimming pool.
Yeah, probably.
Look at all the chairs stacked up there on the right. I bet they blew off the swimming pool deck. And that's way up there. That's like 3 levels up. This girl looks petrified to drive out a parking structure. Yeah, you should like not go. And it's a Bama tag. Oh, she's used to it. What the hell? Let's go around the other side. Can't go there. That's the resident parking. I got too tall a car for that today. There's a bunch of stuff they stacked over here. Yeah, they're gonna be busy hauling stuff in. You need to check that weather report again. Look at that old Chevy right there. Black Chevy. Let's go out the other side and see what happens. Might have got pretty fierce. Let's see. I think we gotta go down one and go around. What time is it now?
11:39.
Got a couple minutes. Did you ship those?
I'm still trying to ship them all.
Yeah, it doesn't. There's not gonna be any business down here today, and unless it's in hours and hours. Because right now there's nothing. It's just a bunch of nothing, and especially if they're leaving it optional to the owners. the stores and managers to, you know, not open. They won't fine them today if they're not open. Usually they make you stay. It's sort of like you gotta tie yourself to a tree. Okay, we can't close. Tie everybody to a tree. But actually, and we have a way better mall manager now. It's Greg. He has a brain that John Hall guy didn't. He lost his somewhere. He's still looking for it now. It's about the size of a quarter. So if you guys see it, you need to forward that to him, because he could probably use it. Okay, so oh look, did it blow down that for construction stuff over here? Bay La Serra still closed. They're gonna make all this a big hotel right here. The Burger Bar, Charlie's, Crab Island Cantina, all that failed. It went bankrupt. So the claim to fame is they're gonna make it another hotel. That blew the construction stuff down. Banners or something. I can't believe it did that much damage to Harbor. And it's right on the waterfront. So. Fears, just fears. We are right now at Harbor Walk Village in Destin, Florida. Checking out this big mess that I'm pretty sure happened when we just drove by it like 15 minutes ago. Because it was screaming through here. Okay, there's some kind of table I guess they've picked up. Blew across the harbor wall. They have a little John Deere tractor, so they can pick up and drag stuff. But all the loose stuff, I guess, went haywire. Man, they still got this open. They look, they put the emergency lines across. There's no business for today. It's a waste of time. They start tying that crap up, put those things across like that. It's like, that scares people when they come down. They're like, maybe we shouldn't be here. The hotel's not very busy. What a mess. There's two maintenance guys talking. Is that John? The idiot?
No.
Somebody different? Kind of like John. That sign wrapped up against that tree. Well, we ought to go down and take a look at the harbor one. I think I'll park like the farm park next to those trees. If it comes blasting through here again.
You're really quiet.
Oh yeah, I don't like that. Especially near the open water, because that's where all the action is.
I feel really bad for that palm tree.
When you're, I know, it breaks my heart.
That's a really.
That's like ripping somebody's
Just
arm
don't get
off.
anywhere close to that pole, because it does have electric to it.
I told you that. And I bet you don't even need to be walking over there.
He got burned. He got hit by lightning.
Okay, so
Even the handlebars got bent. How does that happen?
lightning.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's like a welder.
Oh, that's where the awning went. That went over the stairwell. The awning.
Oh my gosh, it's way back there in the parking lot.
Okay, yeah.
What the hell? You need to leave my vlog over there. Okay, now this is where the awning was. It's way over the other side of the parking lot.
Right in that
Right
section.
over there on top of the stairwell going down to the harbor walk.
I was wondering why I could see the sign so good.
Yeah, I've never seen that Tonto sign.
That's where the awning went.
Coffee shop. Okay, we'll put this back. I'm gonna let you run down there and check that out, and then you need to let me know what's going on. But Any of your friends over there, you ought to tell them that it's optional for it to stay open or not. But I'm going to tell you, it's not going to be good for a while. And especially when it looks like this, people are going to turn around and leave. When they see this tree and that pole and all that, they're just going to go, this place isn't open.
Yeah.
And I mean, it may settle down, but look, the stop sign's even sideways over there. It was screaming through here a minute ago.
Oh, there goes the wind again.
Just hurry for a minute. Man, what a mess. Check this tree out. Let's see if I can get you to see this. That broke off that tree. And it's big as my car. Yeah. I have a big truck. Big as my truck. All this stuff that's falling down. Harbor Walk Village, Destin, Florida. Look, there's a trash can way over here. They must have blown that too. And that weird sculpture tree, but some of that stuff blew off. They said they get scared every time there's a storm because they're afraid the thing's gonna be thrown somewhere. Maybe impale somebody or something. Here's a glorious speeder, like, really? Messy, messy, messy. Gee whiz. So, that awning right there, that campana, is the one we were talking about. It goes way over here to the left. Come off of that yellow building, says Mojo's. Right there on that yellow, over the stairwell going down. That's where that awning came from. So please be careful if you're going out today. It's a little quiet now, but that means nothing. That's like when the tornado loves to strike when the wind stops. So play it safe. If all you have is a little car, it's best you stay home because the water is so deep in the roads. It is just flooding. It's not suitable for a little car. There's some very bad deep spots. You don't need to be driving through it, and you can't even tell they're deep till you get through it. All right, talk to you later. Hope you have a great one.